Hello, in front of me I have UMIDIGI F2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. You can do it by tapping this icon right here. In settings, scroll down and tap on the display. Here select wallpaper and then select the wallpapers folder. Right here we have a list of wallpapers on our phone. You can tap on one to select it. For example, let's select this one, then tap set wallpaper. And now you can select to set it on home screen, lock screen, or home screen and lock screen together. We're gonna select home screen for the sake of the video. Now let's go back to the home screen, and as you can see, the wallpaper changed. You can also change it another way. To do it, just press and hold on the free space on home screen, maybe right here between the icons. Then select wallpapers in the menu. Again, select the up. You can tap just once or always, whatever you like. And here we have wallpapers. Let's select this one, for example. Tap set wallpaper and home screen again. And as you can see, the wallpaper changed. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.